Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Glide apps to connect Google Sheets and publish beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Glide apps website. Once you're on the Glide homepage, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, select Get Started to create a new account. After signing in, click on the New App button to create a new project. You will now be prompted to choose a data source. Select Google Sheets from the available options. You'll be asked to connect your Google account to Glide. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Glide permission to access your Google Sheets. Once connected, choose the Google Sheet you want to use for your app. Glide will automatically create an app based on the data in your selected sheet. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the App Builder interface. On the left side, you'll see the data structure of your Google Sheet. You can customize how your app looks by selecting different components from the interface. Consider adding buttons, images, or text fields to enhance user interaction. To ensure data syncs correctly, make changes to your Google Sheet as needed. Return to the Glide App Builder to see those changes reflected in real time. When you're satisfied with your app's design and functionality, click on the Publish button. You'll have the option to share your app with others via a unique link. Customize your app settings, such as privacy and access levels. Finally, confirm the publishing settings to make your app live for users. Your Glide app is now ready to be accessed and used seamlessly with Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.